3 levels in and something strange start happening. You stop seeing object as object and start seeing them as silhouettes. Today we build a bottle, not just a container but a lesson in a controlled form. This level is about profile transition. The neck, the shoulder, the body and tiny curve changes can completely change the personality of the object. Most beginners think bottles are simple, but bottles are actually precision design because almost every person on the earth interacts with them every single day. Water bottle, perfume bottle, medicine containers, luxury glass, industrial chemical. One silhouette can communicate premium, cheap, aggressive, minimum, fragile before even material exists. This curve controls shoulder tension of the bottle, and shoulder tension is what makes the form feel engineered instead of random. Shape transition feels stronger, softer transitions feels premium. Even few millimeter completely change the emotional weight of the object. And honestly, my first attempts looked terrible. The neck was too thin, the shoulder collapsed awkwardly, and the whole silhouette fell weak. This is one of the biggest beginner mistakes. I call it the noodle neck. Beginners often make the neck too thin because they want bottle to feel elegant, but without proper shoulder support, the form loses structure balance completely. A bottle should be supported, like the shape understands gravity. Good design is not random curve, it's controlled tension. And this is where the form starts becoming believable. Smooth shading changes how light travel across the surface, and suddenly the silhouette starts feeling like manufactured object instead of modeled. And that's what we want to learn here. And adding supports loop and solidify modifier is mandatory for these kind of shapes, because if you wanna make a real bottle, that's how it's supposed to be. One pro tip: professional product designer judge bottle using pure silhouette first. If shape looks interesting, completely blacked out, the design is probably strong. Readable silhouettes create memorable objects. And this is the time we move on completely towards lighting and do some final cleanup before materials. And for lighting, bottles love vertical reflection because reflections reveal the quality of curvature instantly. If the surface flow is uneven, the lighting exposes everything. And I am using same lighting as day one to keep it simple. And for material, you can use any type of material, but I will prefer glass. And I have already created a material earlier, so I am using that same values here. And you can instantly see how good the vertical lighting looks in bottle and how good our silhouette is. So let me tweak some final materials settings and go for the final result. And here you go, the final result. Common mistakes include this, but the main is the flat bottom rule, giving a bottle perfectly flat base. In real life, glass bottle have a concave recent pull, a punt at the bottom, so they don't rock and tip over easily. Others I already explained in the part of modeling. And that's level 3, a bottle, but also the first time our form starts feeling industrial, engineered, intentional. Now many challenges to design one bottle. Luxury, minimum, sci-fi, vintage, doesn't matter. What matter is silhouette control. Render it, upload it and include the hidden code word which was in this video. 3 levels down and now you are starting to see shapes differently. 97 more to go. Next level, form becomes art.